A Turkish scholar has said that the Chinese path to modernization offers the global South countries an alternative model to pursue modernization attuned to their own realities.
Modernization process has its own dynamics and characteristics in different countries. There is no single uniform modernization experience. As one of the last modernization experiences, Chinese modernization is providing a very unique roadmap for currently developing countries in the global south, how to develop, how to follow a guideline for this modernization process. Chinese developmental model is depending on scientific and technological innovation. Chinese people were successfully adapted for this scientific and technological innovations. And currently, so then China is in the critical turning point to transform its economy from more innovation and technological oriented pace with using green and sustainable energy resources.